In this video, I'll detail how to mark your iPhone as lost. So if your iPhone is stolen or is lost at gunpoint, and now you want to find the iPhone or mark it as lost so that the person who finds your iPhone can easily reach out to you either on your phone number or send a message to the person and then contact you through email or whatever approach you want to be contacted, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to mark your iPhone as lost, all you just need to do is get another iPhone. So this is probably one of your family's iPhone or your friend's iPhone. On the iPhone, locate Find My on the phone, then click on it. Now once you tap Find My on the smartphone, click on this Me button at the bottom right, then scroll up, and here you want to click on Help a Friend. Then once you tap Help a Friend, this is going to open iCloud. Then on the iCloud account, click on Sign In. Here, tap Use a different Apple account since you want to sign into your iPhone iCloud account on another device. Then once you select that, you'll be prompted to sign in with your iCloud account. Then go ahead and sign into your iCloud account. So I'm just going to go ahead now. Sign into my iCloud account. Now once you type in your email, click on the Go button, and this is going to prompt you to type in your password. Now you need to go ahead, type in your password, and make sure you type in the correct password for your iCloud account. And once you do that, go ahead and click on this arrow again to proceed. Then this is going to sign you into your iCloud account on your friend's phone. Now this is going to discover the current location of your iPhone. You see that? So I have my iPhone on the maps, and this is it. My iPhone was discovered now, before it was 2 minutes ago. Now to mark this iPhone as locked, all you just need to do is click on your iPhone name like this, and once you click on that, you should see the approximate location of the iPhone. Then swipe up a bit, then you should see mark as lost. Go ahead and tap mark as lost, and once you click on mark as lost, you should see lost iPhone. Then go ahead and click on next, type in your phone number. So once you've done that, click on next, then leave a message. This iPhone has been lost, please call. Then go ahead and click on activate. Then once you tap the activate button, this is going to mark the iPhone as lost, whatever it is, and the person will be prompted to contact you because this iPhone is going to be locked and the person won't be able to use it. So this is basically how to mark your iPhone as lost if misplaced. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.